morning. It's Wednesday morning. We are going to kayak the Mangrove Tunnels. We're here in Lido Key. We're going with Sea Life Kayaking. Should be a good morning. We're out on our kayak. It's a little breezy. We're going on our first mangrove tunnel. I'm supposed to be paddling. Yeah, we're in our first mangrove tunnel. This is really cool. You gotta come experience this. This is neat. That's our first tunnel we just did. Out here with Sea Life Kayak. Beautiful morning, Wednesday morning. We're about to go into our next tunnel. My daughter's very concerned that we're not on track here.
So this will probably be deleted because it's awful. Okay, so we are now going into the mangrove again. This is tunnel 2. So I'll show you what we see.
Our third. They're all man-made, as we learned. They had a huge mosquito problem, so they dug 18 paths through the red mangroves to alleviate the mosquito problem, and they realized maybe that was short-sighted, so they're letting the trails close up. But they did get rid of the mosquito problem from the 1950s. All right, on to trail number 3.
There's also jellyfish in the water, and they're called, what they're called?
Cassiopeia.
They're called Cassiopeia.
So we're just chilling here in the mangrove tunnels. A lot of kayakers out this morning. We're just paddling here. We're still in tunnel number 3. It's very pretty in here, sheltered from the wind. These were all dredged, these tunnels. So if you look off to the sides, you can see piles of dirt where they dredged all these tunnels out so that the water could flow in and out and get rid of the mosquitoes. There's a big pile right there. Our tour guide says in another 10-15 years these tunnels may not be here anymore. They're letting them fill back in so that the red mangroves can return, because they cut down a ton of them back in the 50s. It's very pretty though. Got to come do it while it's here. This is my kind of tour. We're taking a kayak break, stretch our legs. We're on a sandbar in Sarasota Bay. Making our way back. We're in another mangrove tunnel. It's been a nice morning. It's crazy, as windy as it is, there's like no wind in these tunnels. Making our way back. We're going to stop by some seagrass beds and see if we can spot a manatee. We did not go in the open water because of the wind, so we didn't get to see any dolphins. We had a great time kayaking the Mangrove Tunnels with Sea Life Kayak. Ian and Jess were awesome. Highly recommend them. Since we went kayaking down the street at Lido, we were popping back here at Armand Circle to do a spot of shopping and get lunch. Daughter Sarah very much wants a Sarasota shirt. Sarasota. We stopped here for lunch because their pizzas looked good when we walked by the other day. The winds died down. We went to the pool for a little bit. Now we're back at the beach this afternoon. Nice light breeze, warm day. Gorgeous out. It was getting hot laying out in the shade. I think it's upper 80s today. We're gonna play on our tubes in the water.